What is up, you guys? So you guys are tuned into my channel. So if you are a new subscriber, you happen to stumble across this lovely channel, if you can make sure that you like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, you guys, and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right on into this vlog, you guys. Something happened and it really truly hurt my heart. It hurt my soul. I had a video prepped and ready to go for release, you guys, which was supposed to be the second part of the kitchen reno, you guys. I literally had it from start to finish, the process, the colors, all that stuff. And then when I logged into my computer, you guys, I logged into it and all of my footage was gone. And then it doesn't even help that from my camera, because I've been like randomly, like I've just been like uploading like a ton of vlogs, you guys. I deleted it because I thought that since I saved it on my computer that it would be safe, and then all I had to do was just add the remainder whenever I completely finished. But then that didn't happen, you guys. So all that footage is gone. It's gone. So that's why you guys see me coming straight into this vlog. I just want to explain myself and let you guys know exactly what happened, you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill you guys in, and then I'm just going to go ahead and drop the clips. I was able to save a little bit of the clips, you guys. So if you're wondering why is it just sort of seems like it just jumped right on into it, into the middle instead of from the front to the back, like, you guys know what I mean, instead of from the beginning to the end, this is why, you guys, and I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna let you guys know what we decided to do was we decided to do two-tone cabinets, you guys. Decided to do white up top, and then for the bottom we decided to go with a charcoal gray, you guys. So I'm so disappointed in myself, but yeah, that is what we decided to do. I'm so sorry that you guys aren't going to be able to see it from beginning to end, but I hope that you guys enjoyed the end product, you guys. Let's go ahead and get started into this video. Make sure that you like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding this notification bell. And I'm sorry, you guys. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I hope you guys all enjoyed. This will be the kitchen reno part 2, you guys. Part 2. Bye. Alright, you guys, so we finally got around to being able to put the bottoms of our cabinets up, you guys. I know this video is gonna be a little bit delayed, but not to y'all, but to us, because whoo, we've been working and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna throw these up. I still have to do, let me show y'all. You see down there, I still gotta take this quarter round off, and I still gotta, you know, paint, what do you call that, baby?
Kickboard.
The kickboard, there you go, you guys. And I gotta go ahead and paint the kickboard, but that's gonna be for another weekend, because, you know, I'm gonna have to get all the way down. Alright, you guys, so what you see us doing right now is we're putting back on the hardware, back onto the cabinetry, so that we can attach the doors back onto the cabinets. Y'all, they look so good. I'm so proud of myself, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the end product, because woo, baby. Alright, you guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. Looks so good. We have one more missing, and I think I have to paint one more in the garage because we couldn't fit it on the table or anything like that. Yeah, it's good. All right, you guys, so as you guys can see, the cabinets are all pretty much almost done. Just gotta do the bottom. But y'all, I got these really amazing acrylic hardware pulls that I have for my drawers, you guys, and they are freaking amazing. I wanted to go with these because they're just so, they just look so sleek and sexy to me, you guys. And I was like, yep, that's what I'm getting, you guys. So that's what you guys see me right now. I'm just, you know, putting it on the cabinets. And let me tell you guys something. It made such a huge difference. Huge. So if you do not have any pulls or any knobs, please make sure that you invest and get you some, you guys, because I'm telling you, that little detail right there, huge difference. Alright, you guys, so I'm so sorry if I'm out of breath, but I had to go downstairs. But I wanted to try to film this, you guys, but honestly I could not, because as you guys can see, this is literally all the way on the bottom, so I had to lay down on my stomach just to try to paint this kick plate. But I wanted to show you guys the progress that we have. It is painted, and right now I have my husband outside and he is cutting the quarter round. We're gonna put the quarter round on here, and then that is gonna be done, you guys. We are finally gonna be done with this kitchen reno, you guys. It took us a couple months, but slow and steady wins the race. But I just wanted to show you guys the progress, because I told you guys earlier that I lost majority of my footage. I'm not even gonna try and dwell on the past because I don't wanna relive that right now. But yeah, we're almost there, baby. All right, you guys, so right now we are dry fitting the quarter round. It looks really good so far. I'm so excited, y'all. So that fits right there on that side. And we're gonna dry fit this one. We're gonna put this right here.
Yep, slow that right over there.
Oh, looks so good. Look at that, y'all. It's coming together, y'all. Your girl getting a new kitchen. You know what I'm saying? We DIY in here. It's taking long, but you know what I'm saying? Slow and steady wins the race, baby. So right now, you guys, we're just basically putting the quarter round onto the kick plate, you guys. We are almost to the finish point. I wish this video was a little bit longer, but man, I lost my footage. But we ain't even gonna go back to that, you guys. Just know we to the finish line, baby. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to come back real quickly. As you guys see, I got my little house shoes on or whatever like that, you guys. We went ahead and we put in our transition pieces. You guys, this part right here made me super nervous. We just did this yesterday, so I'm going to have to basically, you know, caulk that and paint that. But I just wanted to show you guys what we did. I stained it to try to match the flooring, and y'all, it matches perfectly. Of course, it's not going to look like, you know, exactly like the floor because it's two different types of wood, but it's perfect. You know what I'm saying? It's close enough. So I went ahead and we matched that. That's that little staining part that you guys are going to see in the video. Yeah, that is this. Let me see. We also did the same thing on the other side of the kitchen, you guys. I'm not even going to lie. I was so blown away by like just how good it looks. You know what I'm saying? I'm like left speechless and stuff like that. So yeah, I just want to give you guys an update on that. If you guys are wondering, you know, exactly what I was staining. Like I said, don't pay no attention to this, you guys. We had to cut the cord around and stuff like that, and we're going to caulk it and we'll paint that later. Like I said, I still have to basically paint all the cord around the baseboards, but that's going to be another time because that's going to be a lot of painting, you guys. So I don't even think I'm going to record that portion. But yeah, looks good. All right, you guys, so I'm going to come back real quick. I just want to show you guys the finished product of the bottom cabinetry, you guys. It looks so good. I'm not even going to lie, you guys. This project took forever to do. I'll have to say that so far with the kitchen. We're not even done yet, you guys. Total with the jewelry, with the painting and the priming, and then the same thing with the top, you guys. This project, I would have to say, we've been doing it for like 2 months just because we've been taking our time, not rushing or anything like that. Finally finished up yesterday. I have this door that wasn't in there before, you guys. Sorry if you guys see dishes right there. I had some apple cider this morning, and then I got chicken in the sink getting ready to be defrosted for dinner later on tonight. But yeah, you guys, this is what it's looking like. I hope that you guys all enjoyed. I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys, you know, basically like an update. Be sure to like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, you guys, and give this video a thumbs up because this is by far like the best project that I've done. I don't really know what I'm going to do with the countertops yet, you guys. I think I might end up keeping them because when I'm looking at them, let me see if I can show you guys. All right, you guys, so what I'm saying is that whenever you step out and I'm looking at the kitchen like this, I will, in the beginning, okay, I was thinking about changing the countertops, right? But now that I'm looking at it, you guys, I'm just like, it does not look that bad. Like, I don't know what it is. It's growing on me in a way because I'm thinking that it sort of sets it, it's like, it's just different. Like, what I'm trying to say is, you guys, it gives it like sort of like it gives it like a modern, like rustic sort of feel. And I like it because if you look at the countertops, if I was to zoom in, let me show you guys. It has some of the gray, which is the same gray as this, in the countertop. So I mean, it vibes. Like, I don't know, you guys, like now that I'm looking at it, I was thinking of a way that I can improvise and save a little bit more money, and it only makes sense, you guys, just to keep the countertops. I mean, it does not look that bad. Plus, I'm going to do something to offset it to basically complement the countertops, but I'm not going to get into that video right now. You guys are going to have to stay tuned and see exactly what we're going to do just to basically pop the countertops and get it to all flow together, you guys. Trust me, I have an idea, but like I said, I'm not gonna give it away on this vlog, you guys. I'm sorry if you guys see dishes in that sink. I had a thing of apple cider. You guys already know, if you watch my videos, I love apple cider, and I got chicken on the other side to defrost for dinner. But yeah, it's definitely growing on me, you guys. I love the kitchen so far. We got one more thing to do, and that is gonna be it, you guys. I think also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the appliances, because when I first had this kitchen, as you guys know, the cabinetry on the top and on the bottom were actually the color right here, this brown color was that. So it all looked like brown yellow, so it looks pretty good. But I'm gonna basically switch out the appliances. I'm going to switch out the appliances, but that's going to come later, you guys. That's a little project. Not really worried about that. That could come definitely later. I'm going to focus on like the bigger things right now. I don't want to keep bouncing all over the place. But hey guys, I just want to show you guys the finished product of the kitchen, and I'm really excited. I hope you guys all enjoy. This is part 2 of my kitchen reno, you guys. I still have to do part 3 and hopefully not a part 4, but if I do, I'm definitely gonna let you guys know. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign out on this video. Hope that you guys all enjoy. Bye.